Good afternoon, everybody. This is Mike from Mike's Grow Room. Got a little unboxing to do today. My contract was up with Marshydro. I had a couple other companies want me to go with them, but at the end of the day, I decided to stay with Marshydro. I've got like 6 of their tents. I've never ever had a problem with them. Never had a problem with the zippers. They've given me like 8 different lights. They've all working great. So I told them I'd stay with them, and they went ahead and they sent me this in a box. And what this is see, they put that cardboard in there so when you're cutting, you don't cut through your tent. So what this is, they sent me a 4x8 tent, 32 square feet, hold up at 16 plants. So I have to do a little organizing in my big grow room here. I had to take down my 5x5 tent, which was here. I had an FC 6500 in that. So they sent me a 4x8 tent, and then in this box, they sent me an FCE 4800 light. Now, I have another FCE 4800, so I will put an FCE 4800 in each side of these tents. They're perfect for growing and vegging, or vegging and flowering a 4x4 tent, an FCE 4800. So they sent me a new one. I've already got one. So once I get this 4x8 tent up, I will put in the FCE 4800s, one on each side, get my ventilation in there, and a couple fans, and we'll go from there. So I'm by myself, so what I'll do is get the framework up, I'll shoot that, and then it's quite a job to get a 4x8 tent around that framework. So once I get that done, I'll shoot that. So I'll piece my video together on this unboxing. So again, I got staying with Marshydro another year. They sent me a 4x8 tent and an FCE 4800 light. So thank them. I love Marshydro. Never had a problem with them. I know there's haters everywhere, but I've never had a problem with Marshydro, and they've always been great to me. So for right now, I'm gonna put you on pause, and we're gonna get to the next step. All right, everybody, got the frame up. We got to remember this is my grow room. It's not got a lot of room. So here's the framework, 4x8. There we go, 4x8. Here's my exhaust over there, ready to be hooked up. So there's the framework. It's all up. So the next when I show you, I'll have the tent canvas on it. We'll see you guys. All right, everybody, got the tent set up. This room is pretty small, so I'll try and get a full picture of it. Marshydro 4x8 tent. There's the right side. Here's the left side. Got my vent pipe running to it. Now, I don't use a vent cartridge on the end of it because I don't care about the smell. Plus I get more volume. Those filters restrict the airflow, so I just poke it through. It's flush with the top of the tent there, and I'll have another one down on the bottom here pushing in fresh air. It will have a filter on it, that way I don't push no dusty air in. So here is the FCE 4800. Fits in the light perfectly, in the tent perfectly. I just got it up, so I've got to tidy up the wiring, get the wires tidied up a little bit, zip tied, but it's got plenty of room. This is extra cord here if you want to put the driver outside of your tent. This comes off real easy. You can put it outside of your tent. but this really doesn't give off much heat at all, so there's no use in doing it. I'll just tidy this up and put the cord hanging up. So that's the Marshydro FCE 4800. Fits perfect in this tent. I have a second one that'll go on that side, so I have two of them in there. So there we have it. It's all set up. It's a booger to put up, but she's up. Got plenty of inlets and plenty of outlets for different things, cords, and there's one on the top and one on the side. There's a cord outlet on the back here, cord in the back, inlet outlet on the bottom, cord outlet on the bottom, cord outlet on the bottom. There's another vent coming in. So it's got plenty of place to run anything you need to run outside your tent. So that's all from here. That's the unboxing of the 4x8 Marshydro tent and the Marshydro FCE 4800 grow light. And you can daisy chain them if you want to. Very easy to daisy chain them, just with a regular phone cord. But I'm gonna keep mine independent because I'll have variations of plants growing. I might get me a little piece of 4x8 aluminum sided styrofoam and put it as a divider, so I can run two different veggies and on both sides at different intervals. So I'm just thinking about doing that. It's just a thought. So anyway, this will hold up to 16 plants. I'll put a regular fan in here. It's a base fan. It's not hanging from anything. It'll just be sitting on its base. I'll put two of them in there. That'll get plenty of airflow. So that's it, guys. Can't go wrong. I've been with Marshydro for over a year. Never had a problem with any of their equipment. Great equipment. We'll see you guys.